Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Lizzie. Today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to achieve this particular eye makeup look, and it's totally not difficult at all. So I'm going in with my V Beauty eyeshadow palette using this Flawless Ivy brush, and all I did was just to apply a red and pinky shade underneath my waterline area like this, which is my tear duct area, just beneath it that way. And I just applied it to make sure that it was really pigmented and very obvious. And then I went in with my Carite eyeliner, the black shade, on my tear duct area like this. I applied that about 2 to 3 times to make sure that it was really detailed and very obvious. And then I went in with the pink shade again underneath the tear duct area, just so that the eye makeup can pop. And then guys, for my crease area, I went in with the same shade of eyeshadow, just making sure that it was properly blended. I just applied this on my crease area and a little bit above towards my transition area as well. And then I repeated the same thing on the other eye. Just notice that I didn't go in with any eye primer at all, because this particular eyeshadow palette was actually really pigmented, so I didn't really need an eye primer for this. So I applied the shade, making sure that it was really obvious and detailed. So I applied this on my transition area again and then blended everything properly. So guys, at this point I went in with a purple eyeshadow at the outer corner of my crease area, and then I blended it towards the transition area like this, just so that the eye makeup can be really detailed and well defined. So I applied it on my transition area and blended that properly. And then for the transition area, just a little bit underneath my arc, I went in with an orange shade of eyeshadow, just so that the transition area and the arc will look soft, it won't look too harsh, and it will be properly blended. And then I went in with a black shade of shadow on my crease area at the outer corner of my crease area like this, which is what you can actually see right now, and I blended that shade properly. So just so that the eye makeup can be really detailed, that's why I am doing this, so that the eye makeup can pop. So whatever you are doing on one side, make sure that you repeat it on the other side as well, just so that it gives you the same effect. So at this point you want to make sure that everything is powdery, so that it doesn't crease at all and everything is just dry and matte. So this is just me blending everything so that it looks good. So right now I went in with my Avo Cosmetics pigment to give me that glow on the eye. So I just tapped on the pigment and applied it on my both eyes, on these areas that you can see me apply it. Just so that the eye makeup can pop, for the inner corner of my eye, I went in with this peach shade of shadow, and it actually made a huge difference. So I just applied that and blended the eye makeup properly. So guys, at this point I went in with mascara, and this is the Sorosuke mascara from Nubank Cosmetics, and I just used that to clean up my natural lashes properly, because sometimes the eyeshadow that you have applied on the eyes might just end up making your natural lashes messy. So you need to go in with your mascara before applying your falsies, which are the artificial lashes. So right now I'm just applying the artificial lashes. I really did not want too much. I really wanted the whole makeup to still pop. Like, I didn't want the lashes to take away from the eye look and the whole makeup that I had on itself, so I didn't want something too big. So at this point, this is just me ensuring that everything looks good and nice. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope that it was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, and do not also forget to turn on your notification button so that each time I post you get a notification and you'll be the first to know. And I'm going to link the full makeup to this particular tutorial that I did on this particular video. If you want to know how I was able to achieve the full look, please do click on the video that you would see in a minute. I love you guys so much, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Thank you all for your support, your love. I really do appreciate. See you all in my next video.